Today I'm going to share with you the 3 best free video editors for YouTube. Welcome back to the channel, Karl here, and on this channel we're going to help you find a video editor that is completely free, that's going to help you save time in your editing process and create awesome YouTube videos by streamlining your edit so that you can get the videos that you deserve. Let's not waste another second and get right into it. Now, the first video editor I want to show you is an amazing tool that I've just discovered called Dscript. Now, Dscript is a slightly different video editing tool, but it's so awesome. It's as easy as editing a Word document. And this is a video editor that I like to recommend to people that have never had any video editing experience. If you've edited a Word document before, what? A Word document? Yes. If you've edited a Word document, then you can use this program to edit your YouTube videos, and it's that easy. Let's jump onto my laptop and let me show you how awesome this new tool is. So this is one of the videos that we've shot with Alan at Universal Ply, and let's go over some of the footage and see how the video editor works. So there's a really long pause there, and he's actually talking to Bubbles, who's filming on our camera on the side there. So if you want to cut this pause out and cut this portion where he's talking to out, all you need to do is highlight the text and then delete it, and it makes a cut for you and does a jump cut all in one as you've removed the text. So let's play that back and have a look how it looks now. So that's how awesome it is to quickly do it. Okay, so I'm talking to him, giving him instructions of how we want to shoot the next scene. We also don't want that in, so we're going to cut that out. And let's watch it back. Okay, so there's a long pause here after he's finished talking, and all you need to do to remove that is grab and scroll, and it'll cut out that portion. See how quick and easy it is to edit using this. Now we have a big pause in between here where he has walked away, so that's not going to work for us. So we actually want to cut this all the way to when he's back at the workbench. Now let's have a look at it.
Good. That's how I lead into the story, you see. So screw it.
Now I hope you're getting as excited as I was when I first saw how amazing this is. You pretty much just need to edit the script and it makes all the cuts for you. This is an awesome way to get started with very, very basic video editing for YouTube, and that's all you really need when you're first starting out, is just to get rid of all your mistakes, the ums and ahs, and those long pauses that you don't want in a video. Now, if you're interested in trying out Dscript, I'll leave a link for you in the description below. We are an affiliate of Dscript, and you can also become an affiliate of Dscript by referring your audience to Dscript once you've started using it. Now, the second free video editor that I want to talk to you is actually inside of YouTube, and it's the YouTube video editor. Now, far too many people underestimate how awesome this simple editing tool is. Because it's built into YouTube, it's wonderful for the kind of videos that you're filming on your phone. If you've filmed a short video on your phone, you can then upload it directly to your phone. Then you can jump on your laptop or your computer and start editing and trimming out those ums, ahs, and those long pauses that you don't want in the video. It's super simple. Once you're inside of YouTube Studio, you can head into the editor, and all you do is click on trim, and you can trim portions at the start of the video. You can trim sections in the middle. If you want to split it, you can click split at the bottom here, and all you do is drag out the section that you want to cut out, and you can preview it and then save. If you want to undo it, you can clear all of it. You can also blur parts of your video, and you can add extra music in from the YouTube library. Now, this is a great way to get started editing because it's inside the YouTube platform, so you can cut and remove portions of your video. The best part about this video editor is you can use it even after you've published your video. So a great tip to increase your audience retention is if you have a big drop off at the end of your video, or during your video, you can cut out the portion that is losing audience retention, either by trimming the end of the video or by taking out the 10 to 15 seconds that's losing your audience. We lose a lot of audience when we go away from our A-roll, our talking head video, onto a screen recording. So a lot of the time, if that isn't working and it's not going to take away from the value of the video, we'll cut out that screen recording 2 or 3 weeks after we publish the video, after we've seen the data from YouTube that our audience isn't engaging with that section of the video. So that's a great power tip, is that you can always use the YouTube video editor after a video is published to improve your audience retention and to help you get more views by increasing that average watch time. Now I want to share with you my favorite free video editor, and that's DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve has turned into such an amazing editing program that we've decided to move from editing all of our YouTube videos in Premiere Pro to now only editing our YouTube videos in the DaVinci Resolve free version, because they've added so many awesome features. It's a fully fledged editor and it's got more than you'll ever need to edit your YouTube videos. We love using the tool so much because it has so many features integrated into it that just makes your editing easier. It makes your life easier. If you chat to our editors, Taryn and Sam, you'll understand how much they love using DaVinci Resolve and why we've decided to move our entire team onto DaVinci Resolve for editing these videos for you guys, and also for editing all of our media companies' videos for all of the channels that we do videos for. Now we've created a course to introduce you to DaVinci Resolve and to take you step by step through the editing process, start to finish, so that you can edit YouTube videos even if you've never used DaVinci Resolve. We'll leave a link to this course in the description down below so that you can quickly and easily get started editing videos in DaVinci Resolve. We'll also leave a link for you to download the free version of DaVinci Resolve so that you can get started right away. The great thing about our course is you get a 30-day free trial of Skillshare when you sign up for our DaVinci Resolve course. And it's a really short and easy course to go through. It shouldn't take you more than 2 weeks to finish the entire course. If you have any questions or queries about these 3 video editors, let us know in the comment section down below and I'll be happy to help you out. If you don't use DaVinci Resolve, let us know in the comments down below. I want to know which one you guys are using and why you use those video editors. If you want to watch my video on why I moved from editing our YouTube videos inside of Premiere Pro to DaVinci Resolve, then you can watch our video right here where I walk you through how I made this decision and why I decided to move. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.